Hey there, money mavens. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital payment landscape, transferring funds between apps has never been smoother, but let's make sure you're doing it right. Why bother? Well, PayPal and Venmo are both powerhouses for quick transactions, and linking them can save you time and fees when you're managing your cash flow. First things first, you'll need active accounts on both PayPal and Venmo, plus a linked bank account or debit card for seamless transfers. Start by opening the PayPal app or website on your device. Log in with your credentials and head to your wallet or balance section. Here, look for the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank option. Select this, and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, in 2025, PayPal might have faster processing times, so keep an eye out for any new instant transfer features to cut down wait times. Once you've initiated the withdrawal from PayPal, it typically takes 1 to 3 business days to hit your bank, depending on your bank's policies. Now, switch over to the Venmo app. Log in, and go to your account settings or the Add Money section. Link the same bank account you used for PayPal if it isn't already connected. Then, select Add Money and choose to transfer from your bank. Enter the amount. That's the funds you just withdrew from PayPal, and confirm the transaction. Venmo is known for its speedy deposits, so you could see the money in your Venmo balance almost immediately. A quick tip: always double-check for any transfer fees, especially if you're in a rush. In 2025, both apps might offer promotional fee-free periods, so stay updated via their apps. Also, ensure your accounts are verified to avoid limits on transfer amounts. There you have it. Money moved from PayPal to Venmo without a hitch. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep that cash flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.